fetch footage.
Welcome students in this session of Physics New Era channel. Today we are going to derive equation for the Boyle's law using pressure gas equation. What is this pressure gas equation? Various formats of pressure gas equation we already obtained. Now we are going to utilize the equation, that is pressure is equal to one third of mass of each molecule into number of molecules into RMS velocity square divided by volume occupied by the gas. With this equation we are going to utilize so as to derive the Boyle's law. Before that one, what is this Boyle's law? It is most important. At constant temperature, statement of Boyle's law is as follows. At constant temperature, pressure applied by the fixed mass of a gas is inversely proportional to volume occupied by the gas at constant temperature. Already we saw at constant temperature. Once again, at constant temperature, pressure applied by the fixed mass of a gas is inversely proportional to the volume occupied by the gas. This is the statement regarding the Boyle's law, and that we are going to write in terms of equation. What is that? Pressure applied by a fixed mass of a gas is inversely proportional to the volume occupied by the gas at constant temperature. Now we are going to prove this, but before that one, we can also write this equation as a PV is equal to constant. As constant, this constant is nothing but a constant of proportionality. So from this equation we are going to deduce this. How? Let us see. Pressure we know already. I am going to write this equation. 1/3 or one third of m into n into c bar square upon v. So here multiply and divide by 2. If we multiply and divide it by 2, this equation becomes P is equal to 2 into 2 into 1/3 mn c bar square upon v. No doubt, just multiply and divide. Now rearrange the equation. But before rearranging, I am going to take this v to this side. That means this equation, it is PV. So rearranging the equation, see here, 2/3. What it is remain? 2/3. 1/2 remain. But here only n. The remaining we have factor we are going to write in multiplication, that is 1/2 m into c bar square. This is underlying factor is known as, see this one, half of m into c bar square is nothing but average kinetic energy. This is your average kinetic energy. We know that as the temperature varies, kinetic energy also varies. As the temperature increases, kinetic energy of a gas molecule inside the container also increases. Here we will have to understand the definition first, that at a fixed mass means inside the container fixed mass of a gas it is taken. But as the temperature rises, its kinetic energy also increases, and according to the pressure. So at constant temperature, pressure exerted by the fixed mass of a gas is inversely proportional to volume. That is at constant temperature. Or we can also say that PV is equal to constant. Using the same equation, just multiply and divide it by 2. PV is equal to 2/2 into 1/3. Just 2 multiplied by 2 divided by 2. Rearranging the equation, and we say that this half of underlying factor, half of m c bar square is nothing but average kinetic energy. But if the temperature is constant, if conditional, if temperature is constant, if temperature is constant. See, already we have applied the condition. If the temperature is constant, this average means applying the temperature constant value. Here it is. If this temperature it is constant, see, temperature, if temperature is constant, that time we say that half of m c bar square is equal to average kinetic energy. We say average kinetic energy. Okay, double it is kinetic energy. Average kinetic energy, we say average kinetic energy is equal to constant. Average kinetic energy is equal to constant because the temperature it is constant. At constant temperature, this average kinetic energy is also constant. So let us check the factors that PV is equal to 1 by 1. 2 is constant, 3 is constant, number of gas molecule is also constant. At constant temperature, this factor is also constant. So all other factors are constant. Hence we say that PV is equal to constant or P inversely proportional to V. Pressure applied by the fixed mass of a gas is inversely proportional to volume occupied by the gas at constant temperature. Hence, this is the proof. This is the proof for the Boyle's law. Hence the proof. But before that one, once again, let us take the revision in Hindi. Here, अभी देखो कि पहले स्टेटमेंट दिया गया है कि प्रेशर, तो स्टेटमेंट तो हमको याद ही रखना पड़ेगा कि at constant temperature, pressure applied by the fixed mass of a gas is inversely proportional to the volume occupied by the gas. इसका मतलब कि जो भी प्रेशर हमने कंटेनर में एक आधा गैस है तो उसमें फिक्स्ड मास ऑफ ए गैस रहता है. जैसे कि मैं ये कंसिडर करता हूं कि ये कंटेनर है, यहाँ मैं ड्रॉ करता हूं, यहाँ ये जो फिक्स्ड मास ऑफ ए गैस है इसमें मैं ले लूंगा और ये कंटेनर में जितना भी गैस होगा वो फिक्स्ड मास ऑफ ए गैस है जो बदलने नहीं जा रहा है. तो ये इनसाइड दैट कंटेनर क्या होता है कि ये एक प्रकार का प्रेशर एक्सर्ट करता है कंटेनर पे. ये तो हमने पोस्टुलेट में भी देखा है. तो लेकिन कंडीशन है कि ये कब होगा, ये पॉसिबल कब है. P is inversely proportional to V at constant temperature. किसके हिसाब से? बॉयल्स लॉ के हिसाब से. तो हम ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं कि PV is equal to constant. बाकी सब डेरिवेशन है. जैसे कि हम ये इक्वेशन यूटिलाइज कर रहे हैं जिसको हम मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड कर रहे हैं 2 से. तो 2 से डिवाइड और 2 से मल्टीप्लाई मैंने पहले लिख दिया है और V जो है इधर मल्टीप्लाई में लेके आया हूँ. तो PV is equal to, अब यहाँ देखना है कि हमने ये इक्वेशन को रीअरेंज किया है. 2 कांस्टेंट है, 3 कांस्टेंट है, n नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स है. लेकिन इसकी बात आ गई तो ये काइनेटिक एनर्जी है. जैसे टेम्परेचर बढ़ेगा काइनेटिक एनर्जी बढ़ेगी, जैसे कम होगा काइनेटिक एनर्जी कम होगी. लेकिन अगर ये टेम्परेचर कांस्टेंट रहेगा तो एवरेज काइनेटिक एनर्जी भी कैसी रहेगी? कांस्टेंट रहेंगी. तो ये एवरेज काइनेटिक एनर्जी कांस्टेंट है तो ये सभी फैक्टर कैसे हो गए? कांस्टेंट है. तो हम लिखेंगे कि PV इज इक्वल टू कांस्टेंट. या फिर फिक्स्ड मास ऑफ ए गैस, pressure of a fixed mass of a gas is inversely proportional to volume occupied by the gas. ये हो गया आपका बॉयल्स लॉ का डेरिवेशन, जैसे कि हमने प्रेशर इक्वेशन से बॉयल्स लॉ डिराइव किया है. थैंक यू.